Sunday, and I'd like to talk to you today just for a little teeny bit. A little teeny bit. I'm trying to, there we go. I was trying to make my fingers be in the video. A little teeny bit about being thankful for the things that we have. We've got a lot of issues in our world today, but we have more than we think we have, especially if we have a family, we have a roof over our head, we have food to eat, we have people who love us. We have hobbies. Some of us have jobs. Some of us are retired. We have had jobs. We've had successful careers. We have gardens. We have planning to do. I could just go on and on and on about what we have. We need to focus on what we have and not on what we don't have. Yeah, we could say we don't have very much peace in the world today. But you know, right here in our own homes, we can have peace with the ones we love. And if we've got loved ones that like to make waves, we can show them that we love them anyhow. We have a lot to be thankful for. So I just wanted to come to you today with those just few little words from my heart. Don't think about what you don't have, but be thankful for what you do have. May your gardens always be bountiful and plentiful. May you always be able to seek the truth. And may the good Lord richly bless you. Until my next video, this is Darlene signing off of her Sunday chat video. Even though it was short, I'll see you next time. Bye.